So guys, if you have an iPhone and it's not charging, whether it's a 12, a 13 or an iPhone 14, right? You plug in the lightning cable and it's not charging. Let me show you. I'm going to show you what to check for. They should be charging, it's not, right? We do have an original cable here, so we know that they should be charging. So what we're going to do, we're going to try this wireless charger, and this is it. So I am going to plug this in. I am going to plug this in. So when we plug this in, we should see a light on the charger, like here. We should see this light there blinking, right? So I am going to put the phone on the charger, and we're going to see if it's gonna charge, right? So we are not seeing anything there. The phone do have a wireless coil in the back. We are not seeing anything there. So guys, if your device is not charging, I'm going to show you how we are going to fix this. So what we're going to do, normally your iPhone can really get to a point where it's not responding, it's not charging, it's not doing what it's supposed to do, and this can be easily fixed. I am going to show you how we are going to do that. Very easy and very simple. So we're going to start by doing a force restart, right? Now if that doesn't work, we are going to open the phone and we are going to unplug the battery, and then we're going to replug the battery, right? If we do have a problem with the charging port, it should charge with the wireless charger, right? But for some reason we can see that the phone is not accepting any charge. So what we're going to do, you're going to press the volume up, then the volume down, then you want to hold the power button. This is what we're going to do. The phone is going to restart. This is actually going to clear the phone memory. It's going to clear the phone system. It didn't work, so we have to do it again. Volume up, volume down, power. We just want this to restart. So let's go. We're waiting on the logo. Right. So guys, in the meantime, I am going to plug in the lightning cable. So as you can see, I have the lightning cable here, and the device is charging. Let's try that again. The device is charging, and now we are going to try this white charger, and as you can see here, it's charging. It's also charging on the wireless charger as well. Yeah, it's charging on the wireless charger as well. And that's how you can diagnose what is really wrong with your iPhone not charging. If your charging port is good, as stated guys, you should not have an issue. Just perform a force restart and that should help you. So I hope that this was helpful. If it was, do share this video to your friends and families. like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I'm Lens.